All right, so we just want to turn on the fan only. Normally you hit your power button here. You don't want to do that because that'll cut on your heat. So we're going to cold smoke some things today, some cheese. Just want to hold this settings button in. All right, once it comes on, you want to cycle through. You hit that button one time, then you want to cycle through till it says, that's your auger. You hear your auger cut on. Just cycle through till it says fan. And as you can hear, the fan is running. So this is how you would cold smoke without cutting the heat on. So when you get finished cold smoking, or whatever you want, the reason you want the fan on, you go back till it comes back to buy. And once you get there, you hold the settings in and it cuts off. So that's how you just run your fan only whenever you're using your Recteq grill. This is the RT700, but this is for the smart technology that Recteq puts out. Hey, thank you guys for watching our video. Lovey's Fat Life. The fat stands for food and travel. We like smoking meat, doing restaurant reviews, and then we also like traveling. We like cruising. We like traveling to mountains and land-based vacations. So again, if you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel. We have different playlists for each of those categories. So if you don't care about the travel and you care about the food, we have playlists for that, for smoking meat. And then we also have playlists for the travel part. Thank you guys and have a blessed day.